Hello everyone, I'm Amit from Mail Smartly. Welcome to the Outlook keyboard shortcut tutorial. In this video, we will be discussing how to use the range of keyboard shortcuts to help speed up and simplify your keyboard tasks. We will start by discussing the basic of Outlook keyboard shortcuts. We will go over the different type of shortcuts that can be used and how to access them. Let's start with the first one. What does Alt F2 do in Microsoft Outlook application? Simply open your Outlook, press Alt F2. That will open the current month calendar on the right side of your page, so you can check out your current date, or you can also dig deeper to the calendar and find out the days and date combination. Now the next one. What does Control D do in Outlook? When you open your Outlook and you will select any folder of your email, and you can select any folder of your email, whether it's inbox, sendbox, spam or anything. Select any email and simply hit Control D. It will automatically delete your email and send to the deleted folder. If you are creating a new email, or you want to reply, or you want to forward, and when you click cursor on the message body and simply hit Control D, the function of Control D will be changed. It will open the font dialog box where you can adjust your font, you can resize your font, you can add some additional information, you can add effects and many more. Now the next one. What does Control H do in Microsoft Outlook? I have created a new email. My content is already ready. I simply hit Control H. That will open Find and Replace dialog box. There are two sections. First is Find What. So I have to enter a specific word, text or numeric value here, which is already available in my. And in the second section, which is Replace With, I have to enter the word, text or numeric value. I want to replace the above word with the existing word, with this word. So if I click Replace, it will change one by one, and if I click Replace All, it will replace the entire word, the above word I entered, with this below word. Now the next one. What is the keyboard shortcut to create a new contact in Outlook application? Keyboard shortcut is Control Shift C. The best part is this keyboard shortcut will work even if you are working on the email segment, or you are on the calendar segment, you are on the contact segment, or even if you are on the task segment. You only have to click Control Shift C to create a new contact. So you will see a new contact creation window appears. Now you can use your tab key to move the cursor down, or you can use Shift tab key to move your cursor upwards. So you have to enter all the information here. So I have to enter the first full name. So I enter my own name, Amit Kumar Bansal here. I hit tab. I have to hit the company name. So my company name is Mail Smartly. Now my job is I am a blogger. Now as you can see the file as bansal.amitkumar. This appears automatically. So I have to enter the email address. So I enter a new email address, which is Amit Kumar blah blah blah. So the display name is automatically appears Amit Kumar Bansal and my email address. So I have to enter the web page address, which is mailsmartly.com, and I have to enter my phone number, my business phone number, my home phone number, and blah 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 blah. And I hitting tab to move downwards, as I have already told you, and I have to enter my address here. And I can also add a contact picture here. And once you think your contact form is already filled, simply hit Alt key, which will take you to the ribbon section. You don't have to use your mouse here. Now simply use your up and down arrow key and go to the save and close. Simply hit enter and your contact is saved. That way you can create your new contact using your keyboard shortcut key. Now the next one. Do you really want to know what does Control Shift E do in Outlook? So open your Microsoft Outlook application and use your keyboard shortcut, which is Control Shift E. See, that will open a new window folder. You can simply create a new folder. You can name it. You can choose the area where you want to keep your folder and simply hit OK, and your new folder is created. There is another way to create a new folder. Simply hit Alt That way, your create new folder dialog box appears. You have to repeat the same steps and simply hit OK. Now the next one. What does Control K do in Microsoft Outlook application? When you open Outlook, simply hit Control K and you will see nothing happen because it's a function of insert a hyperlink while you create a new email. So simply hit on the new email. I have add a hyperlink in my this content. So it's just simply select this and now hit Control K and you will see insert hyperlink dialog box appears. You have to insert your URL here and simply hit OK. That way you can insert a hyperlink in your selected part of your content. Now the next one. What does Control O do in Outlook? In normal scenario, when you have the list of emails and you want to open and read it, you simply select the email and the email will be visible in your reading pane. And if you want to more expand it, you just simply double click on it and your email will be opened in a separate window. But Control O do the needful for you. You only have to use your Control O key and the mail will be open in a separate window. Now the next one. What does F4 key do in Microsoft Outlook? When you open your Outlook and try to hit F4 key, you will observe nothing will happen. So this F4 key will work when you open or create a new email. F4 key will work only when you create a new email or you are going to read a specific email. So what's the function of F4 key? I will show you. I will open this email and hit F4 key. It will open find and replace dialog box. In this dialog box, you can find a specific keyword or you can replace a keyword with another keyword or you can directly go to some section or category. I have covered some of my best keyboard shortcuts I personally use in Microsoft Outlook application, which helped me a lot. And these keyboard shortcuts are also very much favorable for you also. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe this YouTube channel so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.